We're just going to work through a quick example here. If x double prime equals t squared plus 4, with x of 0 equals 7 and x prime of 0 equals negative 2, then what's our x of t function? We can integrate x double prime with respect to t, and that's going to equal the integral of t squared plus 4 with respect to t, giving us x prime equals t cubed over 3 plus 4t plus a constant. Anticipating that we're going to get two constants because we get two integrations, I'm going to call this constant c1. Now I'm going to integrate this function, both sides. Integral of x prime dt equals the integral of t cubed over 3 plus 4t plus c, make that c1 dt, and that's going to give me x of t equals t to the 4th over 12 plus 2t squared plus c1t plus c2. Applying the condition x of 0 equals 7, we get 7 equals 0 to the 4th over 12 plus 2 times 0 to the 4th plus c1 times 0 plus c2, so that c2 equals 7. X prime of 0 equals negative 2 gives us the equation. Our x prime function is t cubed over 3. Well, that's going to be 0 cubed over 3 plus 4 times 0 plus c1 equals negative 2, so that c1 equals negative 2. And our solution is x of t equals, okay, t to the 4th over 12 plus 2t squared plus c1, well, not c1 because c1 is 7, so we'll call that 7t, and then plus c2, which is negative 2. So t cubed over t to the 4th over 12 plus 2t squared plus 7t minus 2. And let's just briefly review the form of some of these differential equations. An equation of the form x double prime equals negative f friction over m minus c over m. X double prime, that should not be x double prime, that should be x prime. Let's put a dollar down there and make that into an x prime. Okay, then this is the form, well, what form is it? Is it the form f of x, x prime t? Well, we have x prime here, so that's going to work. What about this form, f of x prime t? Well, yeah, we have x prime, we don't have a t, we don't have an x explicitly in this equation, so that this form actually covers this equation. F of xt, that doesn't work because we have an x prime up here and we don't have an x prime as an argument of our function f. Or f of x double prime, x prime equals f of x double prime xt. That's not right because we put our highest derivative over here. Our function is going to represent the highest derivative in terms of a series of lower derivatives and our variable.